So today I'm going to be showing you how to replace a spare tire wheel mount and the metal brackets that actually hold the spare tire wheel mount to the vehicle. The supplies that you're going to need 4 5/8 nuts. You're going to need a 5/8 socket and then a 1/4 socket, and the 1/4 socket is actually what fits on here, which allows you to screw it into your vehicle. You also can use a 5/8 wrench because sometimes it's hard to get to these with the nuts on there, and then you're also going to need a ratchet. Alright, so first you're going to get these steel brackets, and you're going to get the 1/4 socket and put it on your ratchet, and you're actually going to install it here to the vehicle. Alright, so you're going to do that on the top, and you're going to do it on the bottom right here with the other bracket. Alright, so you're going to grab your spare tire wheel mount here. That's what it looks like. And you're going to throw this on here. Alright, and it's just going to fit on top of the 4 studs that are coming out of the steel brackets. Alright, so next you're going to get your ratchet out with a 5/8 socket on there, and you're going to get the nut and you're going to put it on the 4 studs. Now you're going to want to do this diagonally so that the bracket goes on evenly. So you're going to put it right here. Alright, and you're just going to do that for all 4 of them. You have to use the 5/8 wrench to put it on the rest of the way. Tighten them, and you get them all on. This is what your finished product is going to look like here, with the new steel brackets and the steel mount on.